All our t-shirts are cotton t-shirts, no slacking, no fading. You see the type of neck we have, very thick. Our t-shirts are thick, high quality crew neck t-shirts. Okay, that's what I sell. I received new shipments last night. I sell t-shirts online, so I received new packages last night, so I'm trying to sort them out and then make videos of them and take pictures of some which I can post online, because I sell strictly online. I sell mostly on Facebook. See, there's something that's been happening to me with Instagram. I've had, for the past 1 year, I've had over 6 pages disabled by Instagram. I don't know the reason why, but like, I noticed that anytime I post t-shirts with branded names like Versace, Adidas, all those, known brands, they disable my account like almost immediately. They don't even if you appeal, they don't want to hear shit, like they don't want to hear anything. So I started a new page again on that same Instagram last month. Yeah, I started a new page last month on Instagram, but I've been selling on Facebook. In fact, I started this business on Facebook. So I'm trying to sort out the t-shirts. New customers, like first time customers, they always request for videos and pictures of the t-shirts before they buy. So I need to make videos and pictures of some of the t-shirts which I use in advertising. This is what I post online, to attract customers. So
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then,